Did you know that companies with HR leaders who have strong business acumen are 3 times more likely to be high-performing organizations? This compelling statistic highlights the critical importance of HR professionals having a comprehensive understanding of business principles. Many organizations struggle with HR departments that operate in silos, disconnected from core business strategies. Without a broad business perspective, HR initiatives often fail to align with organizational goals, leading to misallocation of resources, ineffective talent strategies, and a lack of credibility with senior leadership. This disconnect can result in reduced organizational performance, increased costs, and missed opportunities for growth. At the personal level, many HR professionals feel pigeonholed in their roles, lacking the business knowledge to contribute strategically to their organizations. They may struggle to understand financial statements, market dynamics, or operational challenges, limiting their ability to influence key business decisions. This can lead to frustration, career stagnation, and a sense of being undervalued within the organization. This intensive 10-day course addresses these challenges by providing HR professionals with a comprehensive MBA-level understanding of business principles, all through the lens of human resources. It equips participants with the knowledge and skills needed to think and act strategically, aligning HR practices with overall business objectives. The benefits of this training are far-reaching. Participants will gain a solid foundation in finance, marketing, operations, strategy, and leadership, all contextualized for HR. They'll learn how to read and interpret financial statements, understand market positioning, grasp operational efficiency concepts, and develop strategic thinking skills. Additionally, they'll master the art of using this business acumen to drive HR initiatives that directly impact the bottom line. After completing this course, organizations typically see a transformation in their HR function's impact. They experience better alignment between HR strategies and business goals, more effective talent management practices, and increased HR influence in strategic decision-making. This leads to improved organizational performance, enhanced employee engagement, and a stronger competitive position in the market. On a personal and team level, HR professionals who complete this course often report a significant boost in their confidence and strategic capabilities. They become valuable business partners, capable of speaking the language of the C-suite and contributing meaningfully to high-level discussions. HR teams led by these business-savvy professionals tend to be more proactive, respected, and integrated into core business operations. Don't let a lack of business acumen hold your HR career or department back. Invest in your future by enrolling in this intensive 10-day course today. Elevate your strategic capabilities, transform your approach to HR, and become a key driver of business success. Your journey to becoming a highly effective, business-minded HR leader starts here. Take the first step towards mastering the essential business principles that will catapult your HR career and drive your organization's success.